Think your parking brake is just a backup? Think again. Here's what's really going on when it fails. Your parking brake is supposed to stop your car from moving when you park, but sometimes it just doesn't do its job. Why? First, your brake cables might be rusty or stretched. Over time, weather and dirt can mess with them, making the brake weak or useless. Second, the brake pads or shoes can wear out. When they get too thin, they can't grip hard enough to hold your car in place. Third, sometimes the parking brake just gets out of adjustment. If it's too loose, even pulling as hard as you can won't help. And finally, if you haven't used your parking brake in a while, it can seize up or stick. So, what can you do? Use your parking brake every time you park, even on flat ground. Get it checked regularly, especially if you notice it's not holding. A working parking brake isn't just for hills, it's for your safety. Don't let a small problem turn into a big one. Now you know why your parking brake fails and what to do about it.